Imagine unlocking a flood of profitable real estate deals with a single, powerful tool. Today, we're diving deep into how real estate wholesalers can absolutely dominate their market. Using Propstream, this guide will show you exactly how to leverage its incredible features to find motivated sellers and land those lucrative wholesale deals faster than ever. First, let's talk about identifying potential investment properties in Propstream. You'll start by using the advanced search filters. Think about your target area, a specific zip code, city, or even a radius around an address. Then, you'll drill down, look for properties with specific owner characteristics like absentee owners, vacant properties, or even those in foreclosure. These are often signs of motivated sellers ready to make a move. Once you have a list, Propstream's data analytics shine. You can quickly see estimated equity, potential repair costs, and even owner contact information. This allows you to efficiently sort through hundreds of potential leads. Next, let's analyze market trends and property values. This is where the comparable sales, or comps tool, becomes your best friend. It pulls recent sales of similar properties in the area, giving you a solid understanding of market value for any given property. This accurate valuation is crucial for making profitable offers. You can also use the property details section to understand the condition and features of a specific house, helping you estimate renovation needs and your potential profit margin. Finally, it's about taking action with Propstream's integrated skip tracing and direct mail tools. You can quickly connect with those motivated sellers you've identified. This streamlines your entire wholesaling process, from initial lead generation to closing the deal. By mastering these Propstream features, you're not just finding properties, you're building a predictable and profitable wholesaling business. So, dive in, explore, and start closing deals.